In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Booking.com app with ease. Whether you're planning a business trip, family vacation, or a weekend getaway, mastering this app can truly enhance your travel experience. Let's begin by opening the Booking.com app on your mobile device. Once you have that open, you'll need to sign in or register to get started. You can choose to sign up with your email, Google account, or even Facebook, giving you flexibility in how you'd like to log in. Just for this demonstration, I'll be using my Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see just how user-friendly and comprehensive this app truly is. Now that you're in, the world is quite literally at your fingertips. You'll notice that the app allows you to book more than just accommodations. You can also find flights, car rentals, and even search for exciting attractions. But today, we're going to focus on how to book a place to stay. To start looking for accommodation, use the search bar to enter your preferred destination. Let's take Tokyo as an example. Simply type Tokyo into the search bar, and the app will provide you with a variety of lodging options in that city. You'll find everything from budget hostels to luxurious hotels, complete with all the details you might need to make an informed choice. Once you've narrowed down your options, make sure to carefully check the details of your selected accommodations. This includes taking a close look at the pricing, amenities offered, and of course the cancellation policy, which is crucial in today's ever-changing travel landscape. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and select your preferred option and reserve your stay. It's as straightforward as that. For those who enjoy a bit of spontaneity, the app also encourages exploration. Feel free to browse at your own pace, sift through user reviews, and even discover deals you might not have considered initially. The interactive and intuitive nature of the Booking.com app makes it perfect for travelers who love to plan and those who prefer spontaneity alike. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to navigating and using the Booking.com app to enhance your travel booking process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Enjoy your trip planning and safe travels.